This is snow. It ain't even done yet. Not that crap we have in Austin. Whopping 400 miles north. Oh my God. Welcome to Canada, eh? Great White North. It's all about the snow, the cold, putting on your toques, spinning a few loonies and toonies. Labatt's blue. I've run out of Canadian stereotypes. Hey, take off, hoser.
One. You're not gonna go get it? No, I'm not gonna go get it.
Oh my God! The wind is so hard. Great White North.
Oh my gosh, look how...
Holy crap!
What are you doing?
Videoing. Video log. Where we get frozen in the snow and have to eat each other.
Are you gonna make them dry?
Something in package near the perimeter. I'm gonna go check it out. I don't know. Where did I park the Tauntaun? Oh my God. Man, that was snow blindness. Holy crap. This is just like in about an hour's time, not even that. Oh my God. Completely insane snow.
Here, I think.
Yeah, it's a
Okay, though.
total whiteout.
I was getting annoyed. I had cars flying past me.
All right.
There, it's on the left.
Is it? For sure?
It'll be past the light. If you ever can see the light.
Yeah, the wind will blow real hard and you can't see anything.
Yeah, it's totally whiteout. Dude, that's a total whiteout. You
Yeah,
can't
and
see
I had cars
anything.
passing me. Oh, that car's stuck.
Yeah, shit's somebody passing her with a cell phone and going about
That's
twice the
bad.
speed.